Okay, so today I'm going to be teaching you how to solve a mega minx. Okay, so the first step is you're going to try and solve the white cross. So the white cross will look a bit different to on a 3x3, but mostly the same. So it'll look a bit like this. So it's just like a star shape. So if you don't know how to solve a 3x3, I suggest you go do that. Oh, link in the description for my tutorial on a 3x3. Anyway, so this is the white cross. You should know how to do this. You just have to put the pieces in, and then the next step, you have to try and get the corners. So it's not that different to a 3x3. It's just like bigger and a different angle. So you want to put the corners in, and when you've done that, you want to insert the edges. So that's inserted. That one's inserted. That's inserted. It's also very annoying to find pieces on a cube because the cube is so big. You have to get used to it. And the last one. Okay, so now you should have the second layer done. And then what you want to do is you want to try and find a corner like this. So any of these. So I've got this one here, and insert it like this, and this red side now becomes the bottom. So you have to try and find this edge piece, which is conveniently right here. So insert that. Then you do this red, so you insert this red piece. You'd look around the cube for red pieces. This one. You bring it back. Careful not to muck it up. Insert it like that. And you try the other red one. And you insert it like this. Okay, so now the red side is done. And you need to try and get this side, this side, this side, this side, and this side fixed, because they're all connecting to the white side. So now that we've done red, let's move over to green. So I'm going to insert the green one, look around for corners, and I'm going to insert them like that, and like that, and then we're going to insert these edges. So now we've got the green side, red side, and white side done. So let's move over to purple. So let's find the purple side. And purple's in. We would insert that purple corner. And bring this around. Insert this one. And you do the edges like that, and the last one is here, so we do this to get it out without messing up anything, and just put it. So now we've got green, purple, red. Now we need the yellow side. Just going to insert that. corners. You should know how to do it already. Now, when you get to a situation like this, where this is here, but you don't want to muck up this, all you have to do, you have to find the piece here and put it out of the way. You just move this up one, so this is now in line with this. You move it, so this matches, and then now that's put in, and then you just put it down one. So you fix that. The corners. Oh, we forgot to do this one. So you move it out, insert it, put it back in, put that in, put the corner piece in, and you've done the third layer, or whatever you call it. So now you've only got this top layer to do with all this. So the first step we want to do is we want to try and get the grey cross. So to do this, there's one simple algorithm, which is okay, I'll do it again. So once you know that algorithm, you have to try and get two of these. So one across like this, and all the others matching, and you do it once, and it'll solve. Okay, so the next step is you want to get all these matching their colours. So this one is, this one's not, this one's not, this one's not, and this one's not. We're going to try and fix that. So the ideal case is you want, so I don't have one right now, I have only one. So I do want the algorithm that goes, the T-pin. And that will switch around these pieces. So now I have one here and one here, which isn't the ideal one, but it can still work. So you put it in the back and you go, and if you turn it around, see, you probably still have it again, so you do it one more time, and twist, and you should have them all solved. But another scenario is when you have one like this and one like this, and the others aren't fixed. So you have these two. So you would just do the T-pin twice or once. It should solve all your things. So next step is you have to try and get the grey side. So turn the cube over. It's a bit like the 3x3 algorithm. So you just go up, across, down, back, across, down, back until you reposition it. Turn it to the next one. That's solved. Next one. Last one. And that should make this solved and grey side. So okay, so yeah, so you see this one, this is a pink and green. You move it up and out. You move it across so the pink and green spots in, and you put it back in. Then you would get another one. So here, put that down, and then go to the last one and put it back in. And say solve. Mega Minx.